Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Zelle with Chime. So let's get started. Before getting started, there is one important thing to understand. At the moment, Chime does not offer direct built-in support for Zelle inside the Chime app. However, you can still make it work by connecting your Chime banking information to Zelle manually. To begin, you gotta open the Zelle application or access Zelle through a participating banking app. From there, you gotta choose the option to add or link a bank account. Instead of searching for Chime directly, enter your Chime routing number and account number manually. You can locate these details by signing into Chime app and going to settings, then opening the section labeled account information or account details. There, you'll see both your routing number and your personal account number. After linking the account successfully, you'll be able to transfer money through Zelle using a recipient's mobile number or email address. Incoming transfers can also be deposited in your Chime account once everything is connected properly. Since this method works through manual bank linking, certain banks may process transfers more slowly or place limitations on transactions. Because of that, it's a good idea to verify all details carefully, especially before sending larger amounts of money. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.